Hi, welcome to guest tutorial. In the last tutorial, we had seen how to create users. In this tutorial, we will see how to give user rights to those users. We use option tools, option parameters. Under parameters, under UR, we see this code XU1, which needs to be changed by using right click and modify button to XU. From XU1 to XU, we say enter and then we say save. Now this module of giving user rights will come into effect only when we exit this particular program and re-login. So I have exited the program and I am re-logging in as user Mukund. Now you will see that all these menu options have become disabled because the module of giving user rights has come into force. Now let's go and give user rights with option masters, option user rights. We give user rights to the option daily entries. As an example, in this tutorial, we see two users, Gas and Mukund. Now, Gas is a user without admin rights. Mukund is a user with admin rights. So, a user like Mukund with admin rights can only give user rights to both the users, whereas user Gas without admin rights cannot give user rights to any of the user. So now user Mukunda has given user rights to Gas for option cash receipt, to make new entries, to modify new entries and print new entries, but to has not given access to remove the entry and hence not given access to lock and unlock the entries. Now the facility to lock and unlock the entry is available only for admin user like Mukund. Even if we give this lock and unlock facility to non-admin user like Gas, it will not be available to them. Now we move on to another option, cash payment, where I am giving once again restricted entry of making new entries, modifying and print to Gas user. Then in bank receipt, once again I am giving for new, modify and print, and also the same for bank payment, but nowhere I am giving the access to remove the entry to the user Gas. But at the same time, to user Mukund, who is an admin user, I am giving all the facilities of making new entries, modifying entry, removal of entry, print, lock, unlock, etc. in all these options: cash receipt, cash payment, bank receipt, bank payment, etc. Now we say save, and now let's see under option data entry, daily entries, we had activated these options. So all these options have got activated. Let's say for example cash receipt. Now we will see all these buttons: new button, modify, remove, print, lock, unlock, close, signifying that this user is having all the rights, and it also signifies that this is an admin user because it is having lock and unlock facility. Now let's try to lock one particular transaction. Here this transaction is there, which I am saying log. So sure to log, this entry is logged. Now if I want to remove this particular entry and try to remove this, it will say record is logged. So hence it will not allow to remove the entry because the record is logged. So similarly, but still if we want to remove this particular entry, first we will have to unlock this particular entry. We use click button unlock, double click over here, sure to unlock, yes, we unlock here, and then we click remove button, double click, and this sure to remove, then the record will be removed. Then we say yes. Now this is with respect to user Mukund who is having admin rights. This is user, it shows over here this bar that the user is Mukund and this Mukund is having admin rights. So all these options are available. Now let us go and check the options available for gas user. For that we need to change the user, and for that I use option tools, change user, and I go to gas as a user and say OK. But I have also to close all the windows which otherwise was used by the previous user, and now I open a fresh data entry, daily entries, let's say cash receipt. Now you will see the buttons, some of the buttons are missing. Here the buttons which are available is new, modify, print and close. Because we have to gas user, you will see this user gas. To gas user we have given restricted use of making new entries and modifying entries, but we have not given him the access to remove any entry. So that button is not there, and two other buttons like lock and unlock is not available for user gas because he is not does not have admin rights. So it will not be available to him. So this is how, by using option masters, and so this is not, user rights cannot be given by gas as we show, it can be given only by user Mukund or any other user who is having admin entries. So this is by using option masters and option user rights availed by an admin right user, we give administrative rights. Hope you have understood this particular module, and in case of any difficulty, please get back to customer care. Thanks for watching.